Hey guys, welcome back. Just trying to see. Can you guys hear me? If so, let me know when you start coming in. But we pretty much figured out how to do the town enemies. So I mean not the town enemies, the NPCs. So I'm just gonna follow this guide, see what it does for me. Hey guys, pretty much just trying to figure out how to get these NPCs to work. Now that I'm thinking about it, this way might not work too. Because if this guy isn't like a enemy, then they will never fight. I thought I figured it out, but I haven't. You guys have any ideas? Pretty simple. I'm just trying to make it so I can attack him and then also talk to him. Like I could talk to him, but then when I attack him, let me lower this too so I don't keep hearing it and you guys don't keep hearing it. But yeah, pretty much just making this so like when you attack, I mean talk to the you could talk to the NPCs and stuff like that, but you can then attack them and then they'll chase you and then give you like a bounty and stuff like that. But so far with this system, I'm not figuring it out. And then this guy doesn't help. Cause all this is pretty much doing this is turning off the ABS and turning it back on. But that doesn't really help me because I still need enemies on the open world to still attack like the NPCs and stuff. And the only way so far that I have figured out to do that, I changed the script to make it so that even though I'm on Team 0, I can still attack Team 0, but then they can't attack me back because they're Team 0. So then I tried to make it so that when you attack an enemy, it will turn on self switch A. Then if you attack it again, it will turn on self switch B, which will turn on all the other NPCs into enemies and start attacking you. But then the issue still persists where if this enemy over here attacks the NPC, it still counts as the NPC being hit. So it still triggers that self switch A and self switch B, making all the enemies all the NPCs into enemies that would attack me, if that makes sense. So that's the dilemma we're at, trying to figure it out. I really thought I figured it out with that one, but that didn't work because the AI is turned off and you can't even do anything to this person. So that's not going to work. So I'm just going to undo all of this, bring it back the way it was. This is the best way it works so far, right? And let me show you guys. Also, if you guys have any recommendations or anything like that, let me know. So you hit, he starts running away. You hit him one more time, they all turn to enemies. See, this will be great, right? This will be great. What? They're not gonna tell. Okay, there we go. But yeah, this will be great. But the only issue is, let's say I bring this chicken in here. Right? When the chicken actually turns around and starts attacking. Fuck chicken. Attack. Pokemon stare off. That's the other thing with the AI too. Like, I wish I can just make them do what I want them to do. Because that was the thing I loved about the Pro ABS, is you could literally just pinpoint every single movement that the enemy is going to make. Because like, what is this? Attack. Damn it, that's even the wrong chicken. See, now they're all my enemies. And I didn't even do anything. So that's my other dilemma. If there's a way I can make it so if I could make it so that it's only that only happens when I do it, perfect. So that's why I'm over here trying to go through the code, see if I could find out exactly where that takes place at. But I was like, let me just do some research real quick, which led me to this. But this isn't gonna do what I needed to do. It's so frustrating. What? No. It's like I can never find the stuff I want, man. None of this helps at all. And I really don't want to dig through this script to find it. Fuck. Mainly because my keyboard is broken. Set on action result. I think this is where we have to do what we have to do. Start action. Perform battle action. Start action. Invoke action. Apply action on target. Maybe this one. So this goes into this. This goes into this. This goes into this. This goes, well, this one goes into this. Sorry guys, going over code is like the worst thing ever. But we got to do what we got to do. And I'm really just trying to understand what he's doing here. Battle action logic. Yeah, I get that. And also here where it says on result action. This is really, that's really the line that I'm suspecting. Because I think skill on his script action issue. So this is where when you attack and you hit something, it does the script action. But let me actually see what this is. My keyboard. What? I gotta go either clean my keyboard or go get a new keyboard. But I'm pretty sure I just have to clean it because some stuff spilled in it. Close all. Close all. Close all. Damn, did they just make up? Wow, they just made a whole bunch of pages. Is that what that does? Control enter? Okay, don't press control enter when I'm over here. Close all. Let me actually see how many pages this made. Yeah, I made quite a lot. Cool. Save that. So it's not that. This is for the actual skill. So let's say I was here and I had like a script action here, then that would read it. But this isn't what we want. But this is the line we need though. On C target, on death, count, skill effect action, skill ID. This is the worst. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna give up on that for now. But I'm gonna do a workaround. Work around. Work around. What do I do? The workaround right now might be that there's no NPCs on the overworld. Because if I keep all the NPCs in town, then this is really not an issue. Because there'll never be enemies in the towns to hit the NPCs. But then I also want to have NPCs that actually walk around the world and stuff like that. So that's where my issue is. I wish I could just do like a one thingy, fix all of it. But I can't. So what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna skip this for later and then come back to it because it's taking too much time. I've been working on this since yesterday. My keyboard is broken, so I can't really code. But I feel like I'm close to finding the answer though. And I hate giving up on stuff. But I have to give up on it for now because even if I do, I can't fix it because my keyboard is gonna just keep pressing stuff that I don't want it to. Check stat perimeter, return X action, start. But yeah, this is the X action.execute. This does whatever the X action is. So I just have to find out where this is being called when the enemy gets hit to see. Then after that, I can filter to say, hey, if it's the player, well, what I was actually gonna do. Oh, you know what? I may have just figured something out. Hold on, guys. First of all, let's find AA. There's a lot of AAs in here, but let's make sure it's AA specifically. And then let's just use what's at the top of this file, because I'm pretty sure AA is probably defined early, because that seems to be alpha ABS. So all the enemies and stuff, here it is, variable AA. It's AA or nothing. AA dot core, AA dot utility, AA dot blah blah blah, AA dot this. So AA is a object. Cool. And then he's just putting all these stuff inside that object. Okay, AA dot is ABS map. This is literally just a function that goes into that. So I'm looking for AA. Yeah. Okay. So come down here. Skip through all these AAs. AA dot applied, whatever. AA dot network. AA dot utilities. For AA. This might be it. Let's then load. Oh, you know what too? What was it? AA dot as action dot execute. Oh, here it is. But this is AA Battler Manager. Okay. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Let me. Oh wait, no. This is not the. This is not the function. This is the I'm actually using it. I need to find out where that function is defined. If I can, then I'll be able to do a lot of stuff. This is again, I'm just using it. Ooh, AA the S action. Here it is. We got it. This is, yeah, this is what I gotta change. Hopefully, I don't know, because you know, I thought the place I had to change was, I hate this keyboard. Just backspace. One backspace. Whatever. So this is the one we're looking for, but I'm actually gonna add my own, because SS, that's for 1 second, make sure no one's in chat. Where's my SS at? So SS is for set switch. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back over here. We're gonna put another one here. Actually, let's just put it at the end, just in case these things are hate this keyboard. Ah, come on, what the heck? You're not even being pressed down. When life gives you lemon, you gotta make lemonade, man. What? Oh, I'm tripping. Let's get it. Reload. Oh, I turned off my keyboard. Reload. What? Still did this not save? Oh, this did not save because my keyboard is turned off. F5. Let's run this again. Alright. I need my keyboard to turn on. No, that's not even what I want. You guys just stay over there. Trying to read these logs. Turn keyboard on. Hit. Go to log. SSA true. So that's the thing I turned on. That's the S action I turned on. And this is the character that it turned it on for. Or is this my character? Hold on, let me see where. XY repeat. Blend mode actor 2. I'm looking for like the ABS enemies or something that tells me what game character, game event. What was the event ID? this. Okay. So what we could do is, but this is definitely a good place to be, because this is where we will figure this out. So if I have to put my money on it, I'm gonna have to say that the character is actually keys game map ID, switch ID, and then he's using the action over here, dot split. So splits that action into a whole bunch of other stuff. But hold on, let me go back to the original thing over here. Let's switch KCMD. But does that mean this action? Okay, so it's proper. This runs it to check if it's the actual shit. Then over here is where you assign them. But the one thing I want to get is this action right here. Who is the action coming from? And also let me see what this is. Actor 2, yeah, so this is coming from there. So yeah, these are the characters, or the chars. But now I need to find a way to get the player's information, or whoever is actually doing the attack. Once I get that information, then we pretty much have all of this figured out. So this is where the S actions take place, and I put 85 S action here so I could find it later. But there was something else I was looking for before to find the X actions, and that's when the player actually gets hit. Okay, so now I gotta figure out. So these are where the battle logic is, right? The battle actions. So define battle system. Start AA skill equals function subject blah blah blah. If AA skill is none, return, and then try AA action S action dot execute AA skill dot on start. Okay, let's copy this. And see exactly where this is logged out and what exactly it is. So hit enter. It's a lot of hard work, but it has to get done. Okay. That is giving me null. And it's coming right before the S action actually hit. So this isn't what we need. Okay, so this happens when the battle starts, I guess. Start SAA skill direct. Apply skill action. Apply skill action. Okay. Play animation on character. Get proper. Blah 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 blah. Start action. Okay. Perform battle action. Start action. Invoke action. Apply action on target. Skill. Try to do this. This is really what I gotta find now. Is the right place. Well, this looks like it's the right place, but it's not, because this is only for the skill. Oh, you know what? How about we do this, right? Since we know this is the place for the skill, let's go to okay. Plugins. I really hate this website. Okay, Alpha ABS. Or the documentation. Okay, from the documentation, we're gonna go to ABS skills. There we go. Do these not have S actions? I mean, does it not have an on hit? Okay, this is the default settings, but I can add. Sucks. So what the fuck is this? AA.S action to execute skill on hit target. on AA vector hit. Maybe right here. That didn't happen at all. It might also be right here. Close this. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. Oh my goodness. Shitty keyboard. Translate. No, no, no. I'm not speaking fucking Russian to you. Hate this keyboard. Come on. I've already figured out where to change it from. I just now need to figure out where it's being called from so I could pass in the right arguments. Damn, stone, that's still not being called. Check the skills on hit script action if defined. Alright, let me try this then. Let me try this. Let me try something. Come over here. Come over here. Just copy this. You know, just trying stuff to database. Okay, they do have an on hit. Nice. Nice, nice. So, if let's think about this, cause I could hack my way through this. Let's see. So, skill ID 1, pretty much. Skill ID 1, everything uses that when you're doing your regular attacks. But what if it's not a regular attack and it's something different? Then we have an issue. So that means we can't use this. Because let's say you come out of nowhere and you blast the NPC with like a powerful skill, then it won't work the way I'm thinking about it. Because I was gonna make skill ID 1 always activate this turn on a common event, and then based on what that common event is, I can use it to do stuff, because it will only turn it on if the player's doing it. But that means I will actually literally have to put this on all the skills, and there has to be a better way to do this. The best way to do it, to be honest, is find out where it's picking this up from. Where the fuck are you picking up this from? You know what? Okay. So, this particular enemy has to be doing this by itself. Because every time it gets hit, it doesn't matter who hits it, it does this. So I'm trying to figure out where the fuck. Okay, so worst case scenario, because I've already been known that this is a place where the script action stuff works. But let me see, maybe there's other places where he has this written out. No, on his script. The best thing to do is look for on hit, man. Actually, let's look for this not on hit. This might be it. On time ended. Player hit. Oh, here it is. Okay. So event equals this dot check the hit event. This checks if the event gets hit. Okay, on hit event. Okay. I think what we're gonna have to do is go into this. Well, we're gonna be looking for this event, but let's go find out what this does. Check hit event. Here it is. Okay, so what does this do? Set up some variable, checks the ID, makes the reference of that, then does a for loop to do something. I have no clue what that's doing. If eve.id equals sub.id, then continue. A target manager, get screen exact distance, Okay, if distance is less, if this is less than this dot hit distance and blah blah blah, return event. Okay, so this checks, just checking if they get hit. Okay, so let's keep looking up for this event. See where this guy's being used. And this is all from check collision. Oh, this is not where, this is definitely not what we need. So you check collision dot event, it will check if the event is colliding. Okay, check hit player, check hit point, check hit event. It's same map level. This event is obstacle. On hit. Maybe this is it. But hold on, let me see. This is all being called from function. Map skill 2 projectile. Okay. Based on what I'm reading, let me see what this on hit does down here. This dot has hit equals true. This dot opacity 0. Hit P console log. Okay. Let's save this. Return over here. Did my video stop playing music? Or did I close it? I think I closed it. But hey guys, we're having a terrible time right now trying to figure this out. But we will figure it out. That's a fact. Because I think we're halfway there. So I've already figured out where the things are being added. The only thing left to do is to find out where, when is being nothing's happening. What's going on? Okay, so that's not what we're looking for. Has hit. But I'm pretty sure, man, this on hit is what we have to find. This is for the regular thingy. Okay, this is for the enemy model data, right? Good. So initial setting on hit is 0. Hello? Hello? Alright. That was weird. Anyways, S actions is bliss, blah blah blah. The default is fucking 0. Wait, what is the A action? Action script? Script action? Whatever. On hit is 0. I love that. I think this might be it. initial convert perimeters. Cool. Am I still an enemy model after that? Oh, I am. Okay, cool. Oh no, I'm not. It ends literally right here. Event locator controller. Check location. Event setting freezer. Oh. Is this it? Is this it? Oh damn, that just went up on. Hey guys, stop leaving the thingy. Keep watching. I'm about to figure it out. I know it's boring, but like, hey, trust me. Once we figure it out, the game is gonna be better. Okay, here we go. I mainly just like the comments that ChatGPT gives me, because it kind of like breaks it down so I don't have to. Okay, calls the original alias method to maintain basic functionality. Gets the result of the action from the target battler. If there is no result, the action didn't affect the target. Cool. Handling for when the action hits and causes HP damage. If result.onHit and result.HP damage, request a shake effect on the target. Okay. If the target is still alive after taking damage, execute the on hit action. We found it. I'm happy. Penelope, I'm not talking to you. Please leave me alone in my hour of happiness. So this is where we have to change, right? Because x action dot execute this AA model dot on hit. So that's gonna bring up that x action that we put in the other thingy, right? So just to make sure and not be too happy, let's go ahead and come over here, clog, right? Clog, and we're gonna go ahead and clog this dot on hit. Copy this, paste this here first, paste, Control V, come over here, backspace this please, Control save. All right guys, moment of truth. So we know where to change it at. The only thing we need to do to be able to change it is to get the player data and the reason. So now that we know where it is being called from, we could easily pass in the player data from where it's being called from. Hopefully here we go. We got it going on. Yep, that's exactly what I need. AA true. So now, right, if I go to my game, right, now we're gonna have to change this to the thing that I want it to be. SSP, copy this. Actually, just delete these events. Delete, copy, paste, paste. It's not gonna do what I wanted to do, obviously, but I wanted to I shouldn't get any errors or anything like that because I kind of configured it to go to where it needs to go to. So let's see, everything's working. SSP, I love it. Close the game. Now that we know where it's being passed into, S actions on hit. Called here. ED5. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna have to delete this. Okay. And I love it because now I'm going to add an extra perimeter to this a dot s action dot execute, and that perimeter is going to be the subject, the subject. So we have action on me, and it passes into action. All right. Var result alias action on me. Wait, this is called from here to here. Actually, no, action on me is called from here all the way down here, right? And